Hello everybody, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. So today I am going to teach you how to make egg biryani. So I'll show you the ingredients. Masalas we have biryani aaku, జీలకర్ర, చెక్క, లవంగ, biryani masala, then salt, then pudina, ginger garlic paste, green chilies, coriander, kothmira, onions which are cut in a long slices. Next we will start the preparation. I've switched on the gas. I've put a pan on the gas stove. Now I'm pouring oil, little oil. This much is enough. Now let it little heat up. Let the oil heat little. Then we will add one by one all the ingredients. Now it's heated. Now we'll add the masalas. Put it in a low flame. Add masalas now. Now we'll mix it. Let it fry little. Now add onions in it. Now stir fry it. Again fry the onions till golden brown. Now the onions are little golden brown, so we will add the ginger garlic paste. I have taken it 1 spoon. Now mix the ginger garlic paste also. So now we will add green chilies to it. You can add according to the taste. And green chilies I have slit it into 2. Now we'll add pudina and let it little fry. As I am using an AMC cookware, so it will you can put the the stick to the side, and it will not be heat, and it's easy to cook. Now we will add the biryani masala. I am adding 1 teaspoon according to our taste, because my kids and my husband have it little only, so I don't use much of biryani masala. So you can add according to your taste. And I am adding salt also to it. 1 teaspoon of salt. And mix it well now. Now we will add the soaked rice. I have taken 1½ glass of rice which is soaked. Mix all the masalas very well with the rice so that it coats to the rice. Now I am adding water to it. As the rice is mixed with the masalas, so soaked rice is mixed with the masalas, I am adding water to the rice. So I will be adding, as I have taken 1½ rice, so I will be adding 2 glasses of water for 1 glass of rice. So I will be adding 3 glasses of water for what I have taken the rice. So now I am pouring 3 glasses of water. Now I am putting the lid, as it's an AMC cookware, so it will be cooked in 5 minutes. See, I have locked it, so I will keep it in a high flame. So it will be cooked in 5 minutes. Now as on it comes, there will be a red signal, like a red mark like there. So it's a AMC cookware. So we can see the symbol on the turbo. See, I am showing you the turbo. So till there it will come the red mark. Then you can off the flame. Now see friends, it came to turbo. The red mark you can see now. So I have switched off the flame. So now we will do the next thing. For the boiled eggs we will prepare. Now I have kept the wok on the gas, and now I am taking oil. So pour little oil, at least 1 spoon. 1 spoon of oil. Then salt, half teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste, a very little ginger garlic paste. Now little chili powder, just a half teaspoon, just for the taste. Now mix it well. I have mixed it very well. Now I will take the boiled eggs and take a fork also. Put the holes with the fork to the eggs, so that the masala coating will be on the eggs. It will go inside the eggs. Like this. Rotate like this and then keep the holes with the fork, so that masala goes inside. Now add the kept holes with the fork eggs into the pan. You can add all the eggs to the pan like this, so that masala coats it. Now you can see all the masalas are coated to the eggs. So these will be kept aside, so that you can add it in the end of the rice. When the rice is cooked, you can add all these eggs to the rice. Now you can see the red mark. It came to the room temperature. So now I am opening the lid. The rice is ready. Keep it aside. Now our biryani is ready. You can see how it's looking. Now as it's cooked, so mix it very well. Now I have done the mixing. So I am adding the boiled eggs which are coated in the rice, so that the masala also gets into the rice. Now the masala will be coated to the rice of the boiled egg, and mix it very well so that it gets mixed, and the rice is ready. So now garnish with the coriander leaves. Now garnish with the coriander leaves, and your egg biryani is ready to serve. See, you can see now our egg biryani is ready to serve. Thank you for watching my video. I hope everyone will enjoy it, making and eating both as well. So please like, share and subscribe our video.